People come and they ask me all the time, hey, Ali, do you think I could do it? Do you think, can I do it? Am I capable? Listen, the thing that separates the people that make it through and fly through this program is work ethic. That's it. It's it. Okay. It's not what school you went to. It's not what you did. It's none of that. It's just your work ethic. Are you willing to grind? Because having a huge work ethic comes with a lot of things. Okay. We all know that if you put in work, you're going to have downfalls. You're going to have struggles. That's part of learning. Okay. We know that you have to stay outside your comfort zone for a long time if you want to progress. Okay. And the people that are able to keep up that work ethic through all of those trials, those are the ones that learn the lessons the fastest, and you're able to go to the next level. Okay. Yep. And then when you're able to go to the next level, can't nobody take it away from you, but it's a process that you have to go through. You have to go through a lot of failure. You have to go through a lot of learning from those failures and how to cope with that. And so when that happens to you on the job, you ready. You can still focus on finding a solution and doing the job that you paid very well to do. Am I right about that, Martin?
Yes, you are.
All right. That's why I keep trying to tell them, put in that work.